So nice. Look at that color. And this is ash, so it's really blonde. Okay, so this is phase 2, cutting the rest of this wood for the firewood stand. Phase 3 is going to be building the firewood stand, and then we're going to install it. Phase 4, up at the gas station and fill it up. Okay, and then we're going to turn it into money. So I'm going to get this loaded with a log, and you'll see that in a second. Oh, another video that we have coming out is the saw only. There's a lot of people out there that only have a saw, right? You don't have a big sawmill, and you don't even have like an Alaskan chainsaw mill. Well, I learned a bit of a technique that cuts me really good board that I can use with just my chainsaw. Okay, that's all I have to use is simply the chainsaw, and the technique is what it's all about. I saw a guy about 10 years ago and learned from him. I saw him do it on YouTube, so pay attention to YouTube, but I saw him like 10 years ago cut this board with only his chainsaw, and I thought it was a really cool technique, and I have done it several times over the years, and I'm going to show you that in another video. Maybe I've edited that one. If it is, it's here. Otherwise, wait for that one. Be subscribed. Hit the notification bell.